welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda. I love saying things. I hope you like, comment, subscribe. Ring the daggone bell down below. I would appreciate it. This shirt matches my hair perfectly. Perfectly. I love it. And I feel so pretty today. But I'm doing something different. I'm doing something you've never seen me do on this channel before. And it's Temu, or Temu. They say it's supposed to be Temu. I like to say Temu. But I got a haul from Temu. And on this haul, I got a $5 credit because the stuff that I bought previously was late by one day. And they gave me a $5 credit off my order automatically. So this total order was $13.13 before the discount. And I got a bunch of stuff. Now my friend Candy over at Candy Sass, she's been doing the most and having ginormous, huge, crazy hauls. My haul is going to be a smaller haul. But you know, it's just fun to unbox in front of people. So that's what I'm doing. So let's get in here. I got some kitchen scrubbies, some kitchen sponges, and it's got the scrubby part that won't hurt the Teflon, and then this regular sponge part. And let me see if I can find the invoice, because this was like 89 cents or something for, oh, nope. They always give you these gift cards that are potential gift cards. Trying to find the little receipt paper. Okay, I can't find the receipt paper, but I can tell you about how much everything was, because it only cost me $13.13 before the coupon. And these you can scratch off and scan the code, and you might win a discount. So that's kind of cool. So this was like 90 cents for 5 sponges, which I think is really pretty good. And I'd forgotten that I ordered these, but we always need this kind of thing in my kitchen. We're always scrubbing some stuff because we don't have a dishwasher. So our dishwasher's name is Rome. If you don't know who that is, that's my husband. Because my back's hurt and I can't do that very much. And then I got this adorable makeup bag. And I love Halloween stuff. Ooh, and it feels nice. Feels luxurious. This was about $1.89. And it's a really good size makeup bag. And yeah, I get Ipsy bags all the time. But this is one that I actually wanted. And it's lined. And it's got some cushion to it. It doesn't have a name on it or anything. But it's just a cute little makeup bag with bats and skulls and moons. And that's totally up my alley. Next up, I got these. And I can't wait to put this in my closet. It's a coat hanger. But what you do is this is how you can make more space in your closet. I'm sorry for all the rattling, but that's just the nature of the beast here. So what you do is you put this hook up here, you click it in, and then you put hangers in the little spots. And so you can hang more items in your closet, and it's staggered and layered. And so it'll give you the ability to hang more things in your closet. And I've got 3 of these, and this was probably about I think this is like $3. Stay. And the rest is jewelry. And I have gauged ears, so I can't wear regular earrings. But I almost threw away some stuff. But I have friends, and they love jewelry, and they love earrings, and they love some very cool stuff. So I thought I would get some earrings, and some of these have some sterling silver. Some of these are just, plain old regular earrings. I've got a bunch of earrings here, and none of them are over like $2 a pair. Look how cute that is. That's a pair. That's one of a pair. That's a really cute little jazzy earring, and it was less than $2. And then here we go. Here's another earring. I've been shopping Temu, whatever you want to call it, and I get just the nicest quality things. And this is just beautiful. It's got like a little fake lapis stone in it, and it's spiral and really cool and tribal looking. It's very cool. I've got 3 more pairs of earrings to show you. And some of my friends are kind of witchy and into very spiritual things. So I got some very kind of cool spiritual witchy kind of earrings. Like this one. Let me get it untangled. It's a hoop. No, it goes like this. So I'm doing it upside down. What? What in the world? Here it is. Look how cool that is. It's very cool and dangly. And that is part of a pair of earrings. Took me a minute to figure it out because I don't wear regular earrings, like I said. And these I might be able to put on through my hoops because I can have other earrings go through my hoops, and this is really cool. So I think I can get away with wearing this like in my hoop, and then it's a little dangle. So that's very cool. That one's for me. So I was wrong. One of them was for me. I'm selfish. I like stuff. And then this last pair is the end of my haul. And it's got a circle tree of life. And it's also got a teardrop tree of life. And it's like 2 pairs of earrings in this one for less than $2. And they're really cute. So this is what I got. I got a bunch of earrings. I got hangers, things to organize my hangers. I got a cute ass makeup bag. And I got some kitchen scrubbers. So I feel like I got, and so it was less than $9. It was right around $9 after sales tax and whatever. So for like $9, the original order was $13.13, but for $9, I think it might have had a little shipping. I got all this stuff, and it's all nice quality, and I'm really impressed. And they ship from the USA, so when you order this stuff, you get it in a reasonable amount of time instead of ordering from like AliExpress or some other place like that where it can take months to get your items. You get these usually within 9 to 10 days at the latest, which is amazing. And they send you tracking and everything. So I like Temu. And I think it's really cool. And I hope that you've enjoyed my unboxing. And I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. And we'll see you real soon.